Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm aware that I put a lot of promotional content onto my channel as a way to earn me a bit of income for the effort that I put into this channel. And today I just want to be transparent to let you know exactly in 2022 what money I made as my side hustle income from this YouTube channel. We are going to be splitting the YouTube and side hustle income revenue between four main income streams. First of all, we've got the YouTube Partner Program. Second of all, we've got the Astranti affiliate income that I post about regularly on this channel. Third of all, we've got my user testing and watch me think income, which is kind of like product research and surveys. And then last but not least, we have my Etsy store, which I actually only released and raised on the 31st of December. So without further ado, let's get stuck in with today's video. And we're going to go in first of all with the YouTube Partner Program. Now, I'm not going to dive deeply into the YouTube Partner Program, but there just are a couple of principles that I want you to be aware of. In order to become monetized and part of the YouTube Partner Program, you need to post enough content so that it enables you 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to be honest with you, this took me a particularly long amount of time. I believe within about a year and a half to 2 years to achieve. However, nonetheless, I've made it, and that means I have been able to monetize my channel. There are two metrics used to understand the financial viability of my channel with the YouTube Partners Program. That is CPM and RPM. CPM is the amount of money that the advertisers pay YouTube per 1,000 views. RPM is the amount of money that I will earn per 1,000 views. You can see on the graph on screen now how the difference in the CPM amount differs and is far higher than the RPM amount. For every 1,000 views that you guys give me through watching my videos, I will be given an amount per 1,000 views. And I think my average is around £2 to £3 per 1,000 views. This channel typically gets about 12,000 views a month, which if you scale it up will be approximately £40 a month. Now, if I take a look at my full YouTube 2022 AdSense revenue, you will see that the total is approximately £482. Albeit this isn't a lot amount of money, but it's a little reward to me for putting the effort in to do these channels. It enables me to invest in a bit more gear to make the production value a better value for you. Now, my second source of income, which is actually my biggest source of income, is my Astranti affiliate partnership. I used Astranti as part of my SEMA studies. When I was researching ways that I can monetize my YouTube channel, I came across the Astranti affiliate program. I was accepted onto this program, and as a result, I was given an affiliate link, which you've probably seen in the descriptions of my videos. And what that essentially means is when you click my link, you go through to the Astranti website and buy a material, revision material, or a tuition class, or you name it, anything, I will get a cut of the money that you spend. Now, if we take a look at my full year earnings, you will see that my earnings from the Astranti affiliate sales are approximately £1,605. Now, aside from this, I also look at a couple of other avenue streams through two popular platforms called User Testing and Watch Me Think. Essentially, these two platforms are product research platforms where I give my opinion to the testing company and the producer of whatever it is, products or software that I'm testing, and in response I will get paid for doing so. I don't do this a lot. It's purely I get an odd email here and there and I sign up to it, and by doing it I will get paid. Across the whole of 2022 I earned an additional £330 from user testing and watch me think income. And then last but not least, we have got my Etsy sale. You may be aware from the post that I've done on my channel that I created a SEMA beginner's guide and launched it onto my Etsy store on the 31st of January. The first day of launch, on the last day of 2022, I made 2 sales, which after VAT and Etsy commission made me approximately £35 in revenue. So nothing at all. All of my sales have gone into 2023. So keep an eye out this time next year for a similar video. But I just wanted to add that in because that is some monetization that I've been able to get through creating my SEMA Beginner's Guide. Of course, if you do want to check out that SEMA Beginner's Guide, then as well, it is linked down in the description and the pinned comments down below. So do check it out. I can assure you, if you are new to SEMA, then you will find some great value to start your SEMA journey. Now, if we combine all of those revenue streams together, we get a grand total, rounded up, of £2,450 of earnings in the year of 2022 for this YouTube channel. Now, I hope you did like this video. If you did enjoy it, please do click the like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. But that is all from me today. I'll see you all very, 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 very soon. Goodbye.